couple of things not to do, because you can do all of this stuff right but still have terrible pain if a person insists on continuously exercising and moving, and it feels tight because it's swollen, you just had an injury, or it's swollen, you just had surgery, and people will want to try to keep it loose and keep it moving, and that it just adds up and it builds and it increases the inflammation and irritation. Another thing is, let's say the surgery, in this case, the patient I'm talking about, the surgery was here, and they have a sutured wound from here down to about here, and you know what? Everything gets stiff. The wrist is a little stiff. Maybe the wrist is sore, and you know what? They just want to make that wrist better, so they're massaging their wrist, and boy, the fingertips hurt. So kind of doing that, fidgeting. It's the hand. It's right there. It's easy for the other hand to come in here and get all mischievous and start rubbing and massaging, and it feels good at the time while you're doing it, but then the after effect is now increased inflammation. So I'm here to tell you, just leave it alone. Stop their frequent habitual range of motion. Stop the self-massage. Do some ice or cold running water. It's going to reduce the inflammation and pain. You're going to feel a lot better.